Big Brother 27 has officially reached a turning point as fans eagerly wait for the return of the live feeds following a highly dramatic stretch inside the house, and CBS has finally confirmed when those feeds will return to give the public its first look at the Week 9 head of household. For days there has been growing speculation and frustration across social media as viewers voiced concern about the extended blackout, but the producers knew that the suspense would drive even more anticipation. This announcement has sent the fandom into overdrive as fans are desperate to learn which houseguest managed to win the all-important Ho competition that will shape the next chapter of the season. The feeds have become one of the most crucial parts of the Big Brother experience as they allow fans to watch unfiltered moments from inside the house and see strategies unfold in real time. Without them, the audience is left in the dark and only with carefully edited broadcasts which never tell the full story. That is why the return of the feeds is such a big deal and why CBS is pushing the announcement as a headline event in itself. The Week 9 HOH competition is especially significant because the season has entered the stretch where every move can make or break a player's chances of making it to finale ni. GHT. With fewer house guests left, the alliances are thinner and trust is fragile. Winning Ho at this stage can not only provide safety but also dictate the narrative of who is in control of the house. Fans have already been speculating about possible winners based on competition history, alliances, and momentum from previous weeks. Some argue that the competition beasts like Vince or Lauren may have had the upper hand, while others believe it could have been an underdog's week to shine. Regardless of who takes the crown, the fallout will be explosive, and that is exactly what fans are eager to witness once the live feeds flip back on. The live feeds have often been the lifeblood of Big Brother because they reveal raw conversations, whispered strategies, and unexpected betrayals that the edited episodes never fully capture. Many iconic moments in Big Brother history were first discovered by devoted feed watchers who spread the news on social media before it made its way into mainstream recaps. In fact, the feeds frequently change the way fans view certain house guests because the real personalities often differ from the carefully curated portrayals on TV. This season has been no exception as fans have already pointed out major differences between what is shown on CBS and what has been happening in the house around the clock. The return of the feeds now will provide answers that the audience has been craving, especially regarding the power shifts in alliances and how the Week 9 HOH is planning to target rivals. One reason CBS temporarily pulled the live feeds was to protect the secrecy of a major competition twist. Insiders have hinted that production wanted to keep the outcome under wraps until the broadcast episode aired to maximize suspense. This is not the first time the network has taken such a step, but it has always been controversial among fans who feel deprived of the core Big Brother experience. Social media platforms like Twitter, Reddit, and Discord have been buzzing with complaints about the blackout, with many diehard viewers demanding transparency. Still, the showrunners understand that the feeds are a crucial engagement tool, so they made sure to give fans a clear timeline on when the cameras will be rolling again. Now the countdown has begun and the return is set to deliver both clarity and chaos. What makes this announcement even bigger is that the return of the feeds will coincide directly with the unveiling of the Week 9 Ho. This is the moment where strategies collide and fans get their first look at the new power structure. Who the Ho nominates will reveal the direction of the rest of the week and potentially the entire game. For instance, if the Ho decides to target a major alliance, the house could fracture in dramatic fashion, leading to unexpected betrayals and new deals. On the other hand, if the Ho plays it safe and goes after easy targets, then the dominant players could cruise further along and set themselves up for a run at the grand prize. The stakes could not be higher, and that is why fans will be glued to the feeds once they resume. It is also important to remember that Big Brother thrives on unpredictability. Even when fans think they know what will happen, the live feeds often reveal a completely different picture. The Week 9 HOH may have entered power with one plan, but conversations, manipulations, and backroom deals could quickly change the trajectory of the week. Viewers who tune in will be able to watch those changes happen in real time. This kind of access is what makes the show unique compared to other reality competitions. It is not just about who wins competitions but about how they maneuver socially day in and day out. The feeds will give fans the full picture of how the Week 9 HOH intends to navigate the pressure and whether air rain will strengthen or weaken their long-term game. Fans have already begun predicting who the nominations might be once the who is revealed. Some believe the house will finally turn on strong players who have dominated for weeks, while others think floaters will remain the easiest targets. Rumors have swirled that multiple alliances have already cracked and that hidden deals are about to surface. Once the feeds come back online, those whispers will be confirmed or debunked, and the truth will be there for everyone to see. This is why the timing of the feed return is crucial, because it ensures fans will not miss a single minute of fallout from the whole competition. Big Brother 27 has been one of the most unpredictable seasons in years. Between shocking evictions, blindsides, and unexpected twists, the house has been in near constant chaos. Fans have watched alliances form and dissolve in record time, and the power shifts have been relentless. This unpredictability has made the absence of the live feeds feel even more frustrating, because the audience knows how quickly things can change in the house. Now, with the return of the feeds, fans will once again be able to track every move, every conversation, and every strategic pivot. It is like being given back the missing puzzle piece that makes the entire picture come together. The announcement of the live feed return is not just about timing but also about rekindling excitement. CBS knows that momentum is everything in reality television, and by creating a cliffhanger around THE Week 9 HOH, they have ensured that all eyes will be on the house when the feeds resume. The fandom is buzzing with anticipation, and fan forums are already preparing to dissect every second of the footage. Recappers, bloggers, and podcasters who cover Big Brother around the clock are gearing up for a flood of new material to analyze. The return of the feeds will dominate conversations across social media and once again remind viewers why Big Brother is such an enduring reality staple. As the show heads into the final stretch, the Week 9 who will set the tone for the battles to come. Will this reign spark a new alliance war or cement the control of an existing power group? Will it lead to shocking nominations that flip the house upside down, or will it provide a predictable path forward? These are the questions fans are desperate to answer, and they will finally get clarity when the live feeds come back online. One thing is certain: the return will not disappoint. Every word spoken and every whisper caught by the cameras will be analyzed and debated as the fandom collectively experiences the drama in real time. Big Brother 27 continues to prove that even after more than 2 decades on air, it can still deliver suspense, strategy, and spectacle that keep audiences hooked. The announcement of when the feeds will return is just the latest reminder of how invested fans are in THE process. Now the stage is set for Week 9 to explode with drama, alliances to crumble, and new rivalries to be born. The only question left is whether the new who can handle the pressure of the spotlight, and whether their choices will take them closer to the $750,000 grand prize or seal their fate as the next big target. One way or another, the answers will all unfold live and unfiltered when the feeds return and the Big Brother house once again opens its doors to the world. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.